Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your RAM 1500 oil change indicator. To begin, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but make sure the engine remains off. This prepares the system for the reset sequence. Next, you will need to fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 separate times. It's crucial to perform these 3 presses within a 10-second time frame for the reset to register correctly. After completing the accelerator pedal presses, turn the ignition completely to the off position. This finalizes the reset process. Now, start your RAM 1500 engine and check your dashboard. The oil change indicator light should now be off. If the light remains illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire sequence of steps from the beginning to ensure proper execution. While this method is common, always consult your RAM 1500 owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions. It's important to ensure the engine is off throughout the entire reset procedure to prevent any issues. Remember, resetting the light only clears the indicator. It does not replace the need for regular oil changes. Consistent maintenance is key for your truck's long-term health. If the oil change light continues to illuminate after multiple attempts, it might indicate a different underlying issue, not just a service reminder. In such cases, it's wise to have your RAM 1500 inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose any potential problems. Regular maintenance, beyond just oil changes, ensures your truck runs smoothly. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.